Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am Jason Lim at ako ay member ng 9 o'clock AM Mass. Nagsaserve kami dito. Gusto ko lang ipakilala sa inyo ang aming parish, ang Our Lady of the Most Holy Rosary. Kung nakikita nyo, tapat siya ng chunky. So, ang parish namin ay dito. Ito siya. Ito. So, ito ang parish namin. This is a Catholic church. So, we have a Mass every Sunday, 8 a.m. to 9 and 9 a.m. to 10. Today, we will be
5:30.
and 5:30 in the afternoon, Sunday. And also, we have a Chinese Mass during Saturday, 5:30 p.m. Today is Saturday. There will be a wedding ceremony that will be celebrated in our parish, and we will be serving at 10 a.m. wedding ceremony. So, this is the stairs. Nandun ang office, ang parish office. Nandun ang parish office. You will get to our parish office, that is the parish secretary. And we will tour you in our little and humble parish. So, ito po tayo. Meron na pong set up for the wedding, and I am proud to be part of this parish. This is a Chinese mission parish, a Catholic church of a Dominican part of the Catholic Church.